All right, here's Rainforest on page 34, and I'm going to play it through 2 times. You can play along with me, or you can do this in the round, which means that when I get to measure number 3, you actually start at measure number 1. So if you play along with me, nothing special to do. But if you want to do it in the round, you've just got to count as I go through the first 2 measures, and then you start on measure 1, and I keep playing. So you're going to hear me playing something different. So you got to just concentrate really well on what you're playing, and try to make sure it still lines up with me, but don't get distracted by what I'm doing. So I'll play it twice, and you can choose which way you're going to do it. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, 3, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So if you played the round, you should end after me. That's why I left a little space there at the end. So happy playing.